Hello everyone and welcome back to Michelle Kitia Vlogs. And for today's video, we will be staining the wood items inside our kitchen because it's the rainy season once again here in the Philippines. That's why the home is filled with molds because this is a humid location. Well, not really the entire home, specifically our kitchen. This area over here used to smell moldy, and I will reveal to you what I did to get rid of those mold smell and those moldy areas inside the home. And if you've been to IKEA and you've seen some wooden items for your kitchen and you bought some, you know that they are not pre-stained. So what we will do today is stain some of the stuff that I got from IKEA and other wooden tools in my kitchen, like the chopping board. So before proceeding, please don't forget to click on the like, share this video, and subscribe. Switch on all the notifications so I get notified whenever I post a new video. And let's jump right into the intro. So guys, these are the wooden kitchen tools that I have, and apparently they are molding whenever it is rainy. So I will be fixing that problem for good by putting wood stain. This is the only paint that I have for oil wood stain. It is from Boysen. It's Mahogany B2707. But if you have the clear one, that'll be better. I will just work with what I have. The next thing that we're gonna use is this Lacquer Flow and Clear Gloss Lacquer mixture, which will give the varnish its shine, its gloss. An example of the mold. Actually, I already washed these coasters from IKEA already last night, and apparently I can still see molds forming from them, which means I really need to paint over them. We will also be needing a pair of latex gloves and a paint thinner where we will be soaking our brush later on after applying this wood stain. So let's start with staining our wooden tools, shall we? But first, we need to mix this wood stain over here before using. I will be wearing my gloves now. I will put you on time lapse. Let's go. Here they are after painting wood stain on them. Actually, it's better to just use a piece of cloth because that way the painting will be even. But because I already used the brush, I dealt with it. So here, when I turned on the flashlight, I can see some imperfections. So let's try to paint over them as well. We will just let this dry overnight and then proceed to step 2 with our clear gloss lacquer and lacquer flow mixture.
Early the next morning.
Hello guys, it's day 2 of our wood staining, and just a reminder to wear your face mask while staining your wood items because the wood stain is kind of strong on the nose. And I already finished doing one. I'm done with the chopping board. As you can see over here, it's shiny there, and it's a bit gloomy today, so I'm using this emergency light, and I have one left where I will show you how to put the wood stain using a cloth instead of a brush. Actually, it's better sana. I should have used this instead of the paintbrush because it is not even. See? It's a thick layer. The wood stain is not that dry yet, actually. You can see. It's so hard pala, guys, to paint on wood. It's not that easy. And I already finished 3 wood items, and the second step is a mixture of I will just show you. It's not that easy to apply the second layer because if you will be holding it, then your fingerprints or your gloves will stick on the paint. As you can see over here, it's not evenly painted. So talagang maselan ang wood stain, guys. So, as you can see, it is not perfect. I know. But what can I do? I am not a professional painter. Just DIYing on this. Because why not do things our own way, right? As what you may have noticed on the time-lapse, I started with the sides first. Because if you painted on them and you touch them, the latex glove print will stay on it and the mixture becomes thick on them and it doesn't look good. So to avoid that, you should paint on the side. Start on the sides first and then on the back, and then flip it over and then place it on the wall, and then that's when you will be painting on the surface part so that no print will stay on it. I'm done with the coasters and the covers of the food containers. I will show you how I mix these two. So, hindi ko na muna kayo ito time-lapse. This clear glass lacquer. It's B1250 from Boysen. So, this is how much we are gonna put inside the jar. There. Yan na muna. And then cover it. And then next is the lacquer flow. It's B1205. This is going to give the clear glass lacquer a waterproof reaction, which will avoid moisture from building up on those wood stain, which is what we want. So ito yung this is how much you will be putting on it. Ay, natatapon pa. Yan. Sorry. That's enough. Just a bit. Not too much. Dagdagan natin para lang ano. Yan. Okay. Tapon pa. There you go. This mixture is a bit sticky. So we will be proceeding into this cutlery tray. Mix, mix, mix. And then let's start with the sides. Huli na yung ano, underneath. And then at the back. Actually, parang mas okay sa harap first eh. And then behind a wall, mix, mix, mix. You're not trying to be perfect here, guys. But when I was still little, I loved drawing as well, but not anymore because I have a lot more important things to do as an adult. But that used to be what I loved doing when I was still a child. I love drawing. I love reading books as well. I was awarded as one of the students with the most number of books borrowed from the library. Not anymore. I still read once in a while, but not that much anymore. Alright, we're done with the first tray. And then Second tray. I will let you know what our finished product is after a few weeks. I also would stain this part over here. Hindi ko napakita yung before, but that's what I did. The wood stain first, and then the lacquer flow mixture tomorrow. Ito yung ginawa ng namin. Isa sa mga workers, he doesn't know how to use wood stain. Instead, he used a chocolate brown paint. Look how uneven it is. Then compared to this one. Tomorrow, I will be putting lacquer flow mixture on top para maging glossy siya just like this one. Second layer pa ako kasi medyo light pala siya pag one layer lang.
Many months later.
Here they are, you guys. Our finished product. And now that it's the rainy season, as you can see, no more molds. That's because apart from staining everything, I also bought a dehumidifier. This helps a lot because here, these cabinets used to smell moldy, but now, after using this, no moldy smell in my entire kitchen anymore. Everything is scattered. I'll show you. Over here, we have one. And over here, there. I have one as well. Let's see if it's used up already. Because if liquid is already here, it means you should change it. Do we have more? Yes, I have more. So let's get another one. With the white part remaining. And then put back the cover on top. There's no liquid yet. It means it hasn't dehumidified the cabinet yet. Well, this one, it's filled with liquid and it's time to throw away the liquid. Remove the top cover and then remove the white cover as well. All we need to do is throw away the liquid on the kitchen sink. Throw it inside the bin. I got this from the supermarket, from Robinson's Supermarket. Ay nako guys, as you can see, may molds pa rin. I think I need to paint this with sanding sealer. Try nating lagyan ng sanding sealer. Tag-ulan na kasi kaya nagkakaroon ng molds eh. Ay nako, IKEA. Hello everyone, this is Editing Michelle. And I would just like to say thank you for watching. And I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe everyone. Bye!